guys. So today we'll be learning something new in here. So you guys have seen these kind of a curved roofs, right? So maybe this or maybe this. Yeah, there are many more. So if you guys check it in Google, you'll find it out. But ever wondered how do we design this out? How do we design this out in STAAD.Pro? So today I'll be teaching you guys how to do that. So first, let me define a section, a node. So 0, comma 0. So once that is done, let me give a length of 4 and here using node cursor, let me give a elevation of maybe 3 and link steps. Okay. So once this is done, normally what we used to do is like we do is this. So we just give it around 10, yeah. This is how we do it. But this is a wrong way that we do it. That is what I would like to tell you. So how do I do it? Is there any other ways I can do it? Yeah. So now I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can do this out. So first come here and keep this. This is not a problem. You do the same thing from here to here. Just keep it 10 curvature. Okay, but there is a changes in here. First what you guys need to do is you should come in here and to the geometry, just in the x direction it's 1 and give it around 4 link steps. Okay, so now we got this. Now what we need to do is in this sense, just select the nodes and again to this area 1.5 link steps. Okay, so once this is done, and even you need to do the same to this too, 1.5 link steps. It is already linked, so that is not a problem. So this is how we do it. So once this is done, what you guys can do is, sorry, you don't have to do that. That is a mistake. You can keep it, or if you guys want, you can leave it off. That is not a problem. Here, what you guys should do is now select the beam and do this. And there is a thing called a stretch in here, right? Just check out what kind of a beam is. It is beam 3, and just give it apply. So it goes to the top, and you guys need to delete this off. So I think, yeah, beam cursor. So sorry, some kind of glitch. Yeah, so this is how we do it. Uh, so yeah, now it is not. We have not finished it yet. We need to model this out. We need to add this beam in here. First, you guys need to do one thing, that is delete this off. And sorry, we did that mistake. Okay, see here, what we should do is when you delete it, right? Yeah, beam should be deleted, but this should be left out. So that is a mistake that I did. Now what you do is add beam between this to this to this, and this to this, and here to here. So now this is done. So we got that curve thing out. So let me do something in here. Let me add a support. So it's a pin support. Use cursor, add this out and this. So once this is done, what you guys can do is you come to this, select all, select all. To the Z direction, let me give it around maybe Z direction, maybe 5 or 6, 1.5 or maybe 2 meters, something like that. Link open base. Just give it okay. Voila. So this is how you guys need to do it. This is kind of a curved beam how we design it. So this is the right way to do it. So right now, if I want to give a properties, so imagine, let me go to the views. So in this design, okay, and here to here, here to here. Sorry. Yeah, design. So this is done. And if you guys want to check out the 3D rendering view, so here I've given the concrete section, and to the top I've given squares. I mean square section, square. Yeah, SHS. So this is how we do it. And I think so we have missed one thing in here. I think that's right. So view properties. So select properties, missing property, and missing properties, and assign. This is how we do it. Okay. So now I think so it will be right. 3D rendered view. Yeah, that's right. So this is how we have to design the curved. Thank you. If you felt the video was useful for you guys, please do like, share, and subscribe.